Hey, welcome, man. Hey, I want to appreciate you tuning in with me. Please, look, do not go anywhere. Do not back out or anything like that. This video will not be long. It's going to be quick and to the point. This video going to really make you understand what it is that's truly going on, and you're going to have some money in your pocket. All you got to do is watch it. It's not going to be very long. I've been having people constantly asking me, what it is I do, how I do it, how I've been missing in action, not putting forward any effort like I used to and all that, just sitting back on autopilot collecting checks, right? I'm gonna show you exactly what I do, how I'm able to pay for school, take care of my family, do all these things without having to work another job, right? So I'm gonna break the numbers down. A lot of y'all don't want to even look and see what it is that the company really does, as far as fixing your credit, showing you how to get an extra $2 to $800 on your check by changing your W-4s, learning how to invest in all that. We're gonna skip all that because y'all done heard me talk about that before. I'm gonna show you exactly how the compensation plan works, but how I tweaked it to work for me. This is how I was able to flood the market and get people in. Is foolproof. Like, if you follow these steps, I can guarantee you you're gonna make thousands of dollars a month residually, constantly. So grab your pen, pencil and paper. You want to write this stuff down. Trust me, once you write this down, you're gonna start making money as of ASAP. And share. Please share this video. Hit share now, man. Hit share and start your watch parties. This video, I'm gonna make it the way anybody can share it and get people on board. Check this out. What I got is called the 4-for-4 method, just like Wendy's, right? What I do in my econ is $19.95 to join, right? Which is nothing, that's no money, and it's $34.95 a month. I'm finna show you exactly how all of that'll be free. All right, this is exactly what I do. Me, let's start off with me. This is what I did, and I'm gonna show you some examples from last year and leading up to now on how I was able to collect checks by just doing this method. What I do is I take 4 people. That's all you need. You just need 4 people that's like-minded that can follow this one rule. They just must repeat the process. That's all they got to do. So this is what I did. I took 4 people who was hungry, who wanted a change in life, who wanted to put some extra income in their pocket. And what I did for them, I paid their way. I paid their way into the company. So check this out. 4 people, that's $20, $40, $60, $80, right? It cost me $80 to put them in the company, right? They didn't pay anything. So who got a problem with trying something for free, right? You got in for free, it didn't cost you any money. Soon as they signed up, I gave them their money right back. So they cool with trying this, right? The very next week, I get my $80 back because it's 100% on commissions. So I made my 80 right back. It didn't cost me anything. It didn't cost them anything, right? So look what's happening. Now I got 4 people on my team, right? All they got to do is repeat the process. When they repeat the process, they're going to go and sign up 4 people. They're going to find 4 people who looking for a change, who really want this, who like-minded, who business-minded, and they're going to pay their way. When you pay these 4 people way, right? When my 4 people paid 4 people way, they brought me 16 more people. 16 and 4 is 20 all day long. See, all you need is 5 lines of this. I'm finna show you exactly how quick and easy this is. So look, now my 4 people that I paid for and the one out and paid for 4 people, they brought me 16 more people, giving me 20 total, right? So now those 16 people are gonna repeat the same process. Each one of those 16 are gonna go out and pay for 4 more people, right? When they go pay for 4 more people, that's gonna bring you an additional 64 people. Your 16 go to 64. That's just your 3rd line. So your 3rd row of people then brought you 64 more people. That's 84 people total on your team already, right? For free, because it keep repeating itself. When you pay for 4, they come in free, And then the very next week, you get paid 100% commission. That's not including the override money you getting for everybody first person you getting 18 bucks for, right? So now you got 84 people on your team. This is just your third line. It brought you 64 new people. Now, those 64 people are all gonna go out and sign up 4 people, just like everybody else did. Everybody's just bringing in 4. So when they go and get 4 more people, that's gonna bring you 256 more people. See how that add up? It add up quick. That's gonna bring you 256 more people. Then that's just your 4th line. Now once your 4th line, once all those people go out and sign up 4 people apiece, that's gonna bring you 1,024 people, right? 1,024 people. So if you add that up, 1,024 plus 256 plus 64 plus 16 plus 20, you just added 1,364 people to your team. That's what you did. You just added 1,364 people to your team, and no one really paid to get in. Check this out. Myecon has ranks, right? That would force you to go up to the highest rank in this company. And you will make $7 residually a head. Because, see, that's the beauty about it. Myecon is doing residuals at 1 month now. So that means if you got it, let's just say you got, okay, let's do the 13, grab your calculators. 1364 times $7. That's $9,548 a month. Like, say nobody else signed up or sold, you're going to make $9,548 a month. Do you not see that math? See, that's what people got to understand and see the numbers, see the math in their head. And it's all because you putting people in position to help themselves. See, a lot of people understand that credit is king. They want to get their credit repaired and get their credit fixed, change their W-4s so they can get an extra $200 to $800 on their check a month. They want to become a business owner so they can get an extra 475 plus tax credits, right? All this is a benefit. So imagine when you do this with your little league organizations, with your teachers. Teachers this summer don't want to go to work. So imagine if all the teachers in your city, in your school, wherever you at, y'all do this, right? Y'all do this together. You're going to make a killing. Imagine you do this at your church. It's called the 4-for-4 method. That's all you're doing, the 4-for-4 method. You pay for 4 people way. When you pay for 4 people way, they need to understand that their job is to do the same thing. You let them know, I paid for 4 people way. You got to pay for 4 people way. You're going to get the money back. So don't complain about it. Don't be lazy about it. As soon as you pay for 4 people way, those 4 people need to be looking into paying for 4 people way. And as long as everybody got that mindset, see, you won't never sit there at just $9,000 a month. That's gonna at least double itself. Think about it. If everybody continue to have the 4-for-4 method, like I stress with my team, you can sit back and not do nothing. I don't encourage you to sit back and do nothing and just depend on others, but you will be able to if you get like-minded people. So now they doing that. Next thing you know, man, next month you making more than 27 grand a month. And it's going to keep on rolling over like that. That's all I wanted to show y'all right quick, man. I did not want this video to be too long. Somewhere on here in the description, in the link, I don't know where I'm pointing because I don't know where I'm going to put it on this video yet. You'll be able to click on my link and sign up. If someone else shared this video with you, get back with this person and they will plug you in. They will send you whatever it is you need to get started, and they will break down the 4-for-4 method to you. Like I told you, all you got to do is bring on 4 people. You pay for 4 people way, them 4 people going to bring you 16 more people. 16 going to bring you 64. 64 going to turn to 256. 256 going to turn to 1,024. That's just your 5th line, your 5th generation. If once them 1,024 go and sign up 4 people apiece, that's 4,096 people. That's a lot of people. 4,096 people times 7. You do the math. That every single month. All your bills are residual. Everything that's coming out your household is coming out every single month. You got to pay your car note every month. You got to pay your mortgage, your rent every month, your light bill, all that. You got to have something that will offset that. A lot of y'all don't see $20,000 in a year, right? Everybody, I'm in school right now. I'm paying for school. Everybody else, they got loans and grants and parents and stuff like that that's paying for. I'm paying for it out of my pocket. Why? Because of the 4-for-4 strategy. The 4-for-4 method allowed me to be able to pay for school out of my pocket. You can do it too, man. I'm telling you. I'm about to end this video. Get with whoever shared it with you. If you one of my friends and trying to get on, or you somebody that just ran across this video, the link is in the description, man. All you got to do is click the link, join, hit me up on Facebook. If you're struggling and don't have the money to be able to do it, sure, we'll get together. Once your third day go by, with you being signed on, I'll cash out you your money. If you follow these steps, it's guaranteed that you're going to make bread. So get with me, man, the 4-for-4.